While we are now firmly entrenched in the 21st century, it's a good time for E.R. Wagner to look back at its first century. Edward R. Wagner officially began his Milwaukee-based business in 1900. The company was founded on four basic tenets: integrity, people, quality, and innovation. After World War I, the company looked to expand and adapt in new markets. In 1924, we purchased the assets of Milwaukee Shock Absorber and began manufacturing friction-style shock absorbers for the popular Model T that Henry Ford was producing en masse in his Detroit factories. The 1970s was a true era of innovation, and E.R. Wagner adapted to the changes in lifestyle and culture by introducing several do-it-yourself kits, including the home cheesery and yogurt kit, a sausage-making kit, and a portable clothes dryer. Our tubular division was launched in 1973 to make a more cost-effective and faster production system than traditional tube cutting and three-dimensional machining could offer. In July of 1980, the Wagner Company purchased all of the stock of Photronics, a manufacturer of circuit boards for machine tools, medical systems, and other military and commercial products. Stocker Hinge was purchased from the family in 2004 and added the manufacturing facility that still operates today in Brookfield, Illinois. Today, the company has three domestic operating divisions in the Midwest. The original Milwaukee facility still remains and is home to our automotive and tubular product lines, as well as our corporate offices. Our products surround you in daily life, whether in the form of truck hinges to deliver the necessities of life, or automotive hinges for convenience and safety in your daily commute.
We have some interesting products, and we're very much an engineering-oriented kind of company. That's allowed us to innovate, not only to become more competitive in what we can provide to our customers, but to bring new products to customers and serve their needs, not only in the U.S., but throughout the world.
We make a variety of shapes, sizes, and styles as dictated by our customers' applications and our joint engineering efforts. We're ready to lend our expertise to your applications. With 11 decades of experience under our belts, we can find a solution from our vast library or create a customer package as your needs dictate. While many manufacturers have abandoned domestic operations, we have invested in these areas to make not only our designs globally competitive, but to build and supply tooling in a cost-effective manner. Even though we strive for integrated metal stampings, we also recognize that there are core competencies. Since many of our applications are related to passenger safety, we employ a number of certified welders to perform MIG and TIG welding to add that next level of security, whether government mandated or simply for added assurance of a 5-star crash rating.
In terms of insourcing, we have brought in-house equipment such as parts washing, grinding, deburring, buffing, tool-making equipment, and we've done that with cash generated from operations. So it's really improved our ability to vertically integrate the process and basically bring manufacturing back to E.R. Wagner Manufacturing.
To complement our operations, we have also added a vibratory deburring operation to ensure that products like pinion bearing spacers perform flawlessly. While we have a long history, we do not stand on tradition when it comes to change. Our inspection technology has also evolved dramatically over the many decades. High-speed camera technologies 100% inspect parts between presses and shipping containers. E.R. Wagner recognized the ergonomics trend earlier than the focus of the past decade. The push for ergonomics in the workplace started long ago with the demands of industry to rapidly and easily move products and raw materials. Like all of our processes, it looks simple, yet the details are complex. We have innovated this portion of the material handling industry for over 50 years. We still manufacture our commercial, industrial, and institutional casters here in the United States and make one of the most durable and dependable casters on the market. Our engineers use common sense when developing and applying automation. While some lines contain fully automated production, most customers demand frequent replenishment of a variety of products. Many of our assembly lines are focused on rapid changeover to execute small batch orders from our array of mounting plates, races, forks, axles, and wheels. With the right work in process and rapid supply of raw materials, the main focus is on assembly to fulfill orders. Components are married together with the custom ordered options, and the final steps are wheel assembly and shipment.
The manufacturing transformation, and what I would largely term as a lean transformation, is a work in progress, and it never ends. Your quest for continuous improvement is an ongoing adventure, and that's really the way it needs to be approached. You will always better your best. There's always more we can do with our factories and our people and our processes to become more efficient, to be more competitive, to be able to compete in a very competitive world.
The third star of the E.R. Wagner companies is our hinge division, also known in the industry by its brand name, Stalker Hinge. This complements our industrial business by providing continuous hinge products as well as engineered and tailored hinge products for products found at home, at work, in the transportation we use daily, and industrial applications. This 60,000 square foot facility has been making continuous hinges for over 50 years. The core of the operation is the primary press room, where a variety of tools have been developed and built over decades to provide the widest assortment of sizes, gauges, and styles in the industry. At E.R. Wagner, we are always evolving, and this new line will accommodate the heavy gauge portion of our market, expanding production further into transportation, emergency equipment, and military applications. Metal stamping still drives the core of our business. Our ability to look at a product and break it down to simplified stampings and assembly still lights our path. We've added a number of skilled engineering and operations people in the past years who have allowed us to expand our offering of services, processes, and products. The combination of a strong core of skilled people, along with investment in our domestic production facilities, provides these core competencies that will build our future. Get to know us. We're bigger and more capable than people think, and we prove it every day.